In this video, we will learn how to modify 3D objects in COMSOL Multiphysics. First, press Ctrl-O to open the file. Double-click on the 3D geometry file from the last video. You can also download the file from link number 1 in the description section below the video. On the top bar, click on Geometry. Now, similar to modifying 2D objects, to modify 3D objects, you can also use booleans and partition. And transforms. Click on booleans and partition. Let's try union, but this time with 3D objects. As you can see, the input objects are active. Move the cursor to the 3D objects and click on them to add them to the input. Click on Build selected. You may not see anything yet, but let's move the cursor to the object. Now the two 3D objects combined and became a whole. Similar to intersection and difference, you can explore them yourself. Now, let's try the transform function. Choose the very last option, Scale. The input objects is active on default. Move the cursor to the object. You can see that now we identify this as one object only due to the union function. In Settings, set the scale factor to 3. Click on Build selected. Click on Zoom Extents. You can see that the booleans and partition or transform function, they both work the same way for 3D objects as 2D objects. You can try other features in the software as you like. You can create different objects with different shapes, then combine, subtract, move, and mirror them to create new complicated shapes. That's it for this video. See you in the next video on how to add materials to objects.